take or else to spend. And if giving or taking there be absent,